friends! I'm Aadi, and today, on the occasion of our Independence Day, let's celebrate by drawing our beautiful Indian flag in MS Paint. Let's begin! First, open MS Paint. Pick the rectangle tool and draw a big rectangle. This will be the flag. Now, use the line tool to draw 2 horizontal lines, dividing the flag into 3 equal parts. Choose orange for the top part. This is saffron, which stands for strength and courage. Next, color the middle part white. And finally, choose green for the bottom. It stands for growth and prosperity. Now, select the circle tool and draw a blue circle in the center of the white stripe. Then, pick the line tool and carefully draw 24 spokes inside the circle. This is the Ashoka Chakra. Use the eraser if anything goes out of shape. And there you go! Your Indian flag is ready! Great job, friends! Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Let's always remember the heroes who gave us freedom.